Hello coders. Now in this video we are going to start our coding journey. Now as a beginner, the first thing that will come in your mind is where you should write your code. Now for that very purpose we have text editor. There are a lot of text editor in the market that you can download. But the one that I will recommend you in this video and in the upcoming video, text editor that I'm going to use will be VS Code in most of the cases. So I will prefer you to download the VS Code. You can download any of the alternatives, any of the text editor that you want, any of your desired text editor you can download. One of the example is Sublime. You can download it from the description box. I have given you the link, or you can just type it in the Google VS Code download or maybe Sublime 3 download and click on the link given. Okay. Now for the Sublime, you can just click on the Windows 64-bit to download it, and you will get the Sublime. For the VS Code, you will get a page like this. You will have an option for the Mac OS, you will have an option for Linux, you will have an option for Windows. Now since we are going to do our coding in the Windows, we will just click on the Windows icon. Now as you can see, I have told you that I will explain the setup for the VS Code in this video. So we will just click on the Windows and we will start the downloading. Now we will just wait for the download to get completed. After it's done, I will tell you one or two things in the VS Code that you need to do before you start your coding. Now I will just click on open to open the setup for the VS Code. Agree the agreement by just have to read all these things if you want. Now these two options I will recommend everyone to check this box so that you will get some will not get any error. Also this one option here is an optional uh, you know thing that you want. If you want a desktop icon, you can just click on it. If you don't want it, you can leave it. I don't want it, I will just leave it and click on the install button. We will wait for the installation to complete and we will open the VS Code and set it up for our upcoming videos. Now we have an option launch Visual Studio Code. I will open it. Now the Visual Studio Code will open like this. You will have an option open folder. Click on the open folder and you can just go into the folder where you want to start your coding. After you select the folder, you will have the Explorer option here. I have selected the video 1 folder. Now in the video 1 folder, you can see this button new file. Just click on the new file and create whatever file you want to create. If you want to create an HTML file, you can create the HTML file by clicking like this, and you can write your type in HTML type here. Now the thing that I want you to do is to go into this icon extension and download one thing, code runner. Now in the code runner, you will be able to run the code very easily. Just install it from this button and you will get this icon here to run your code whenever you want. Now the one more important thing that I want to tell is you just go to the gear option here, click on the setting and click on auto save. Okay. Now in the auto save you will just see this. Click on the after delay. It will be off. Just select the after delay. Now go into the code runner and check this box. Clear the previous output. Check this box. Go a little bit down and check one more box. Run in terminal. This box. Now after doing this, your work in the setting is done, your work in the extension is also done for now, and you can start your coding. So this is the setup for the Visual Studio Code, and since we have done the setup, in the upcoming videos I'm not going to again tell you all about this setup. Maybe the video will be C++ where we will use the Visual Studio Code, or maybe Python, or maybe our web development. Anything that we are going to do, we are going to use VS Code as the text editor. That's it. I want all of you to click on the subscribe button and hit the like button so that you remain tuned for all the coding updates that you are going to get from this channel. And I also want you to share among your friends and colleagues so that they can also start their coding journey if they want. Thank you all. That's it. And we will meet you in the next video.